Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, as the title says, we're gonna be doing a MacBook unboxing. It is my first time purchasing a MacBook, so I'm so excited. I got MacBook M1 Air in silver color, so we're gonna do the unboxing, and then after that, I wanna redecorate and adjust my desk area a little bit. So that is the plan for today. Now, without further ado, let's do this. This is my current desk setup. So as you can see, I have my old laptop here, but it has some damages on it, which I think it ruins the aesthetic vibe here. So it is time to say goodbye to this one. And I got my candles, some stationery stuff. I got my water and some fake flowers. I really like my mood board, so I don't have plans to change this one up. Now let's head on to unboxing. just in love with like how everything turned out so well. For example, the idea of putting my daily journal there and my notebook that I use for my language study routines. I also love that this red color just fits here like perfectly, because I don't know, I feel like I added the right amount of color and tone there, and it makes the space more stylish, and we're gonna make it a bit spicy this time. So that is all for today's video. I will make sure to add the link of Mac stand and the plant accessories and all of that, like everything that is available right now, so you can check them out. I just can't stop staring at my desk area because it makes me feel so happy and satisfied. But anyways, I will wrap up the video here. Thanks so much for watching again. I love you all. See you in the next one.